accurate forecast from Weather for Kerno.
Hello again, this is the Weather for Kerno. Fast forecast for Tuesday the 5th of November. Of course, it's Bonfire night. Well, mostly cloudy start with some mist and hill fog. Should turn brighter though as we go through the morning, and may see a one or two glimpses of the sunshine breaking through the clouds, but still a chance though of a odd drizzly shower. It's going to be quite mild at 15 Celsius, 59 Fahrenheit, with a light southerly wind. High tides for the north coast is 06:45 in the morning, 19:01 in the evening. South coast 07:06 in the morning and 19:22 in the evening. The swell's running about 3 feet, which is about 1 foot. And we got a light southerly wind. Onto the inshore waters forecast, kindly supplied by the Met Office from Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel, where the weather, or wind I should say, is east or southeast 3 or 4, occasionally variable 3 or less later. Sea state slight, occasionally smooth in Bristol Channel, with the weather drizzly, showers at times, visibility good, occasionally moderate. And before we go, we'll have a quick look at the Bonfire night weather. Well, tonight's going to be mostly dry, a slight southerly wind. There is a chance that we might get bits and pieces of drizzle in the wind, but I think most part it should be dry, with a low around about 13 Celsius, 55 Fahrenheit. Enjoy your evening, but be safe and keep those pets in. Whatever the weather, enjoy it. If you're watching on YouTube, why not hit that subscribe button?